In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear parking assist sensor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. Underneath, there's no panels in the way. You can just reach up behind the back bumper. And if you see the wires that go towards the back, you can see where the sensor is. There's two clips. You want to spread the two clips with your hand, and you can push on the front of the sensor. Just pop the sensor out, just like that, and push down on the tab. Take the new sensor, line the plug up, connect the connector. You can see the two little ears. That's where you're going to slide those into the back of the bumper where the retainer is. Get that lined up. And just push it in, lock it in place. You can do the same with the other ones.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.